how can UX research help GenAI? So one thing I want to note before we get into it is that I'm not just speaking to the user researchers in the room. I may point out strategies that researchers can use, but these apply to designers, PMs, or anyone who's in a position to advocate for the user. For some of the use cases, I'm going to be referencing use generative AI or GenAI. Others will use other types of machine learning technology. GenAI is a subsection of AI, so the two terms aren't interchangeable, but we don't have time to get into that distinction, so you'll need to just roll with it. A big part of the role that researchers can play to make sure that AI is being used for good has less to do with any particular tool or use case, and more to do with the role that researchers naturally play within an organization. The core role of the researcher is to advocate for user needs. So just doing our jobs like we normally would can help to mitigate some of the harms. We challenge assumptions, we insist on designing products that are useful, usable, and accessible, and we make sure that genuine user needs are being addressed. There are some specific things that researchers can do, which I'll highlight, but a lot of these are just things a good researcher would naturally be doing.